So I finally got my tripod. So let's do this. Kit Kat. These are size 4. Size 4 red. 350 V2s. Right. So just gonna do a quick little unboxing. You have your cotton. You get these shoes. Put this one there. And then another pair. So this is what the shoe looks like, right? Focusing. There it is. Beautiful shoe. I'll show the highlights later. This is just the unboxing. This Yeezy. Everything is red, more of a pink, and then got some fluffy there. So you can see, and this is legit. Here's a receipt. See if people believe. I don't want to show you that information though. And I won from adidas confirmed. There's your, let me raise that up. There's that. So yeah, very clean, very clean. This is the left. This is the right. These are size 4. Obviously way too small for me. That's the unboxing. I'll do a flyby. I'll add a flyby. Thank you. Okay, so I won those size 4 reds, and I also won the size 9 coppers, which I already wore. Maybe I'll do a what do you call those, on feet? But yeah, these are, see, I wore already. So there's that. Also copper, Yeezy, right there. Just capture that. There you go. And then here is the, that was left pair, this is the right pair. Also dirtied. Because, you know, shoes are meant to be worn. So, yeah, these are sick. I say these are probably sicker than the reds, but that's all up to like how you view it. But yes, I won both of these on the confirmed app. It's not. Is it focusing? There you go. I won these both on the confirmed app, and that's a wrap. Here comes the flyby.